guys! Good morning and it's another day in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. So ang gagawin natin for today is nag-book tayo ng activity dito sa Club, which is ang Saigon Adventure Day Tour, na kung saan is lilibutin at pupuntahan natin yung mga tourist destination dito sa Ho Chi Minh using motorbike. So if you want to book this activity, is ilalagay ko yung link below para kapag nagpunta kayo sa Ho Chi Minh is masubukan nyo din ito. So let's go! Tara guys, bumaba na tayo kasi nag-chat na yung tour guide natin. Andyan na daw siya sa labas ng hotel. So tara, sunduin na natin. I-meet na natin yung tour guide natin. Hi! Hello! Hi Dini! Good morning, Will.
Yeah, Will.
Yeah,
I'm Danny.
Danny.
Yeah.
Danny, all right.
The weather is quite hot, so I prepare the water for you.
Okay, all right.
During the tour, we have the coffee for you, but maybe the weather is too hot, so I prepare the water.
Okay, all right. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So hi. Hello. So guys, her name is
Danny.
Danny.
Yeah.
Her name is Danny.
Yeah.
All right.
Hi, welcome to Vietnam. Welcome to Ho Chi Minh City.
Alright, okay.
Yeah. Let me help you. Do you need the face mask?
Relax naman mga... Disney princess na ito. Okay.
Where you come from?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
I'm Filipino. Pabuhay. A lot of coffee and delicious food. So this is City Hall.
Yeah, it's a city hall. But in the normal day, the people cannot go inside. Building is will be by the French.
Oh, French.
Yeah,
So it's good French.
Yeah, the architecture of the French.
Mm.
Yeah, and you see the year over there under the glass clock. Under glass
okay.
clock.
All right.
Yeah, it's maybe the flag is cover the year, but after that, it will have the 18.
Hi guys, andito na tayo ngayon. Ito ang first stop natin is Saigon Central Post Office. So kung makikita nyo, binilt daw siya, sabi ng tour guide natin, noong 19th century during French colonial times. So kung makikita nyo, napakaganda ng infrastructure. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan o, ang ganda o. Kung makikita nyo. And then sabi ng tour guide natin, etong orasan na daw, etong orasan na to, kung makikita nyo, ayan, is binilt yan almost 137 years na. So parang naabutan niya na yung World War I, World War II, and yet gumagana pa rin daw siya. Ganyan na katagal yung clock na yan. Nice, so beautiful inside.
Yeah. You can see the ceiling. It's
The ceiling.
Yeah. When you come in, you go inside here. It makes you feel colder than outside.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
because
true.
the ceiling.
The ceiling is higher.
Yeah, it's higher. And you see the mark over there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a map.
It's a map of all surrounding Saigon. It was updated in 1892.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
In the past, Saigon is quite small. And you know Saigon, it just have two districts, 1 and 3. So that's why now district 1 and district 3 is the center of it. The name of Saigon is have a long time ago, more than 300 years ago.
300
Yeah, because you know it have the framework theory about the name of Saigon.
And then guys, ito yung mga postal cards kung gusto nyong magpadala ng mga cards sa family nyo. Ayan. Pwede kayong bumili dito. Ayan. And then dito kayo mag-i-stamp. So paikot lang din yan. And then itatry natin. Itatry natin guys yung postal card at magsasend tayo ng cards dun sa kuya at ate ko. And then guys, kung makikita nyo yung picture na yon, ayan, siya yung previous famous president, which is si Ho Chi Minh. So siya yung famous revolution leader during Vietnam War. Ayan yung itsura niya, si Ho Chi Minh. And then, ipinangalan sa kanya itong city na to. And kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, kasi before, ang pangalan ng city na to is Saigon. And napalitan na siya. And sabi doon sa tour guide natin is, noong 1975, nag-change na siya into Ho Chi Minh para i-represent yung president nila.
Yeah, again in the book street, and it have a lot of bookstore in this street, and it were established in 2017.
Wow, okay. Wow, there's a lot of books.
Yeah.
And then coffee shop too.
Yeah.
Nice. But these books are Vietnam language.
Yeah, Vietnamese language. And some store they still sell the English book, but not many store they sell English book.
And there's also coffee shop too.
Yeah.
And guys, ngayon nandito tayo ngayon sa Book Street. So isa to sa mga tourist destination dito sa Ho Chi Minh. So ngayon, samahan nyo akong explore natin tong lugar na ito. Ayan siya, Book Street. So tara, samahan nyo ako. So guys, ito, kung mahilig kayo sa libro, and then kung mahilig kayo magbasa, and kung bookworm kayo, pwede kayong pumunta dito. Kaso, based sa research ko, yung mga books dito, yung mga language dito is karamihan mga naka-Vietnamese. Pero sabi nung tour guide ko is may mga books daw dito na English din. So tingnan natin. Ayan guys, actually hindi lang mga books yung tinitinda dito. Meron ding mga keychain, mga bags, yan. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga libro is naka-Vietnamese. So syempre hindi natin maintindihan yan. And then actually guys, ito pala, may mga katabi siyang cafe shop or mga coffee. Ayan. So pag nagpunta kayo dito, nagutom kayo, pwede kayong pumunta dyan. Pwede kayong kumain habang naghahanap kayo ng libro na gusto nyo basahin. Yan. So may mga iba din silang tinitinda. So parang guys, nasa right side yung mga coffee shop, mga cafe, and then yung, sa left side makikita nyo yung mga libro. Yung mga kiddie books. Ayan siya. Meron din dito guys, book cafe. Ayan. So, hahanapin natin yung librong English. So, sa mga gustong magbasa or mahilig magbasa, pag pumunta kayo ng Ho Chi Minh, pwede kayong mag-explore dito, and then pwede kayong mamili ng mga gusto nyong basahin na libro. Ay, ito guys, nakita ko na siya. Ayan, ito yung mga English books. Ayan. Ayun o, si Professor X. Ayan. Tapos, actually yan lang ata yung books nila na English. And then the rest is mga naka-Vietnamese na. Ayan siya. Ayan guys, so kung pupunta kayo ng Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, daanan nyo rin to, ilagay nyo rin to sa itineraries nyo kasi katabi lang siya ng Saigon Central Post Office, and at the same time katapat niya lang yung Notre Dame Cathedral. So parang 3-in-1 na siya. So pag pupunta kayo dito, daanan nyo na rin to. Ganda no? Mas gumanda siya kasi ang dami niyang puno. Tsaka makulimlim, hindi siya ganun kainit. Kahit na alam naman natin na parehas lang naman yung temperature dito sa Pilipinas. Diba? And guys, ito pala yung Notre Dame Cathedral. So kung makikita nyo, para siyang European style cathedral. And based sa na-research ko, nag-start daw yung pag-renovate nito nung 2017 pa. Kaya daw matagal, sabi ng tour guide, yung pag-renovate nito is yung mga materials daw na galing dito is nagmumula pa daw sa France, kaya ganun katagal. And then sabi is matatapos daw tong renovation na to by year 2027 pa. So it's almost 10 years yung renovation na itong Notre Dame Cathedral na to. Dito na tayo ngayon sa Independence Palace. Kapag papasukin natin to, ilang oras yung bubunuin natin para lang maikot to, so sobrang tagal. Kaya kapag hindi siya kasali sa package, para pinakita lang sa akin kung ano yung itsura niya sa labas. Kasi kapag daw sinama to, aabutin daw ng 2 to 3 hours and mauubos yung oras natin dito. Pero ayan, ito yung itsura niya. Yan, ayan yung Independence Palace. Pala guys, etong Independence Palace, museum siya kapag pumasok kayo. And then if you want to go inside, pwede kayo mag-book ng ticket dito. Ayan, dyan. Pwede kayong bumili dyan ng ticket. Kung gusto nyong pasukin tong Independence Palace, but since hindi naman siya included dun sa tour na binook natin, okay lang na nasa labas tayo. Kasi gugugol din ng ilang oras kapag nilibot natin tong museum na to, kasi sobrang lawak daw nito. Mukha lang siyang maliit sa labas pero sobrang lawak daw sa loob. Ayan. Hi guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa Burning Monk na tinatawag nila. It's Thich Quang Duc statue, and then ipapakita ko sa inyo, and then sasabihin ko din sa inyo kung ano ba yung naging story niya netong monk na to. Okay, so ito yung monk, and then sabi nung tour guide natin is sinunog niya yung sarili niya alive. And then bakit niya nga ba sinunog? Kasi para magprotesta daw about sa Buddhism. I'm not sure ha, pero yun yung pagkakaintindi ko. Ito siya guys. Yan. Daming mga nagpe-pray, nagwo-worship sa kanya. So basically guys, yung story nito is isa siyang monk, and then nag-protest siya, and then sinunog niya yung sarili niya para sa religion niyang Buddhism. So eto yung street na kung saan sinunog niya yung sarili niya. Dito sa street na to, ayan, kung makikita nyo dyan, yan yung street na yan, dyan siya sa gitna, sinunog yung sarili niya as a protest. And also guys, sabi nung tour guide natin is pagkatapos niyang sunugin yung sarili niya, is sinunog ulit ng Vietnamese people yung natitira niyang mga katawan, ganon, para maging abo, para maging ash. And then alam nyo ba kung ano yung natirang organ sa kanya? Ang organ lang na natira sa kanya is yung heart niya. Kumbaga lahat nasunog, lahat naging abo except his heart. So kaya ganun siya, kaya ganun karami yung mga nagwo-worship sa kanya, kasi nga napaka religious niya, and then napaka parang interesting ng story niya. Kaya niya ginawa yung pag-burn ng sarili niya. And then guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa baba yung link kung gusto niyo panoorin. And I think meron siya sa YouTube, uncut, i-search nyo na lang. And then if gusto niyo makita talaga yung video, ilalagay ko na lang sa baba yung link. So they attacked the Independence Palace, so they planned here.
Yeah. They how to say, they collect the weapon from the Gucci tunnel.
From the Gucci tunnel?
Yeah.
Wow.
From here.
From here.
Yeah.
To attack the Independence Palace.
To attack the Independence Palace. Yeah. And now it's like the national site.
Tawag nilang secret bunk coffee shop.
It's have two bunker.
Okay.
It's have two bunker here. This one is the main bunker, the biggest bunker
Okay.
at that time. Because at that time, not only one bunker in this in Ho Chi Minh City, have a lot of bunker around Ho Chi Minh City. Yeah, but this one is the biggest one. Okay, now we go this
Okay,
way.
let's go. And guys, follow natin yung tour guide natin. Let's go!
Yeah, be careful.
So these are real guns.
Yeah, real weapon, real gun.
Wow. Is this grenade?
Yeah.
Wow. So
But it's not work now.
It's not working.
Yeah, it's just the model now.
Missile.
Yeah.
And then
You can put one gun and yeah, you can put one gun and show your. It's not work now, so don't worry.
so heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy because it's a real one.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, and you see this one, the hole.
The
here?
hole?
Yeah, too easy to break it and escape from all the way.
Okay. Follow daw natin siya, guys. Interpret natin.
This way.
Oh my God.
This one, you can do.
Oh my goodness.
In this house, have a lot of secret way. This one is the first way.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see here.
Wow.
And can you find the secret way, the second secret way to go down the bunker? Where is the bunker? On the ground. It's a bunker. But in the past, it's not easy. It's not easy to recognize like that. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, now I will go down first.
Guys, bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea dito. So ito yung secret bunker na kung saan pinlano nila yung pag-atake sa Independence Palace. So dito nila pin-repair, pinlan, kung paano la atikin yung Independence Palace na kung saan nakita natin kanina yung palasyo na yun. So dito nila pinlan.
This one is the Fin coffee. This one is the Fin coffee. We call the Fin coffee. Fin, Fin coffee. It's a traditional way to drink coffee in Vietnam.
Fin.
Fin.
Fin coffee.
Fin. And below, on the below, is a condensed milk.
Oh, so
And-
that's the condensed milk.
Yeah. And they will put the coffee powder inside and put the hot water and put it. And this will drop it.
First.
Yeah, you mix.
And then I will put it.
Yeah, put it in onto the cup of the ice.
And then I will just put it. Oh.
Yeah. And let's enjoy it. Let's enjoy it.
So cool.
Yeah.
Wow. So yummy. Hello guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa last stop na kung saan ito yung parang Chinese temple nila. And then tinatawag itong Hoi Quan Chue Tan. So hindi ko alam kung tama yung pagkakapronounce ko, pero sabi ng tour guide natin tama daw yung pagkakapronounce ko dun sa temple ng Chinese. So tara, puntahan natin and tingnan natin yung loob kung ano ba yung meron dito. Let's go. Then ito yung itsura niya guys. Yan.
We have 3 sessions. This one is the front hall.
Okay.
The entrance is there, and inside there is the main shrine. Main shrine. Yeah. And in the front hall, we have 2 kind of God. the god of the land, the gatekeeper,
The gatekeeper.
and the god of the land.
And ito guys, yung mga nakasulat dito sa pink na papel. Ito daw yung mga nag-donate na tao dito sa temple na to. Ayan, ayan yung mga pangalan nila. Dito nilagay. Ayan.
The brown reason is for which is for the alive people, and the
Okay.
straight reason is for the passed away people.
Oh, pass away, okay.
Yeah.
So this is incense.
Yeah, it's a reason.
Okay. So yun guys, dito na nagtatapos yung vlog natin sa Saigon day tour. And magpaalam na tayo kay Danny. So Danny, guys, invite them to go here in your country.
Yeah, welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, and let's contact me. I will bring you go around the city. Thank you.
So if you want to book this tour sa Klook, and then i-mention nyo na lang, kapag nabook nyo na tong tour na to, i-mention nyo na lang si Danny. Okay, and then she's very good. She's good taking photos and videos, so trust me, very recommendable. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye. Hello guys, finally nakauwi na tayo dito sa hotel, and i-share ko sa inyo yung naging experience ko dito sa tour na to na binook ko sa Klook. And yung tour na to is 2,000 plus pesos. So bale, etong tour na to is dadalin ka sa mga tourist destination dito sa Ho Chi Minh. And of course, meron ka na ring tour guide. And then, kung napanood nyo kanina, is yung tour guide natin is si Danny. So, wala akong masabi dito sa tour guide natin kasi sobrang bait, maalaga. And then, kanina, hindi pa kami nagkikita, binilan niya na ako ng tubig. And then, lagi niya akong tinatanong from time to time kung nauuhaw ba ako, sobrang init daw kasi, baka mamaya ma-dehydrate ako, ganun. Sobrang concern niya dun sa mga customer niya. And then, isa pa, napakagaling niya mag-English. Wala akong masabi kasi dito napansin ko sa Vietnam, kukonti lang din talaga ang mga nag-i-English. And then talagang pure sign language lang talaga para magkaintindihan kayo. Tourist destination na pinuntahan namin is talagang mga top spot dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Yung katulad kanina sa una namin pinuntahan is yung Saigon Central Post Office. Gagawa ka ng postal cards tapos ipapadala mo sa ibang lugar. And syempre, hindi na uso yun kasi 'di ba, yung technology natin ngayon, saglit na lang, chat na lang, 'di ba? Kung may experience nyo yung bagay na yun, ganun pala yung feeling na ipapadala mo yung sulat mo, ganyan. And then, yung sunod namin pinuntahan is yung Book Street. Dito, napakaraming books talaga na pwede nyong bilhin or mabasa. Ayun nga lang, nung naglibot tayo, puro mga Vietnamese language siya. Pero may mga ngilan-ngilan din na English. So, tiyagaan lang din talaga na maghanap. And then, ang kinaganda kasi nun is sa tabi lang is puro coffee shops. Dito talaga sa Vietnam, napakaraming coffee shop, cafe, want to sawa talaga kayo. And then, sa tapat lang din doon ng Book Street is yung Notre Dame Cathedral. So, in-explain ko din kanina kung bakit until now nire-renovate pa rin. And then, kung makikita nyo yung mga infrastructure na pinuntahan natin kanina, European style, may halo talagang mga Western. Kasi nga, di ba, ang Vietnam, sinakop sila dati ng French. And then, after nun, pumunta rin tayo dun sa Burning Monk, na kung saan in-explain sa atin ni Danny kung ano yung nangyari doon, kung bakit ba ginawa ng isang monk na magpasunog ng buhay, and then kung ano ba yung pinaglalaban niya, ganyan, ganito. Guys, kung gusto nyong i-book din itong activity na to, lalagay ko na lang yung link sa baba. Sa Klook ko siya na book, and then if gusto nyong i-request din si Danny as your tour guide, usually kapag nag-book na kayo ng ticket, magkaka-receive kayo ng message from them through WhatsApp, and then you can request, I want Danny to be my tour guide, something like that. So pwede nyong i-request, and then ibibigay nila sa inyo. And that is it for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell notification para updated kayo sa mga videos na gagawin natin. So yun lang, bye! Peace!